Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
It is August the 7th, and we've got a little bit of clouds out there today. Rain chances pick up this weekend, thank goodness, because it's been so dry lately. The heat, it backs down just a little bit over the next couple of days, but you'll feel it. It'll be more noticeable as we head into this upcoming weekend. Looking live out there around Johnson, some low cloud cover. I'll show you what that looks like on the satellite. We should mix out today, and we'll end up with mostly sunny skies by the afternoon with high temperatures that are still going to be up into the low and the mid 90s today. It'll be about 3-4 degrees cooler than yesterday. Some slightly lower temperatures, not cold at all though. Here's a look at our temperatures this morning. We're waking up to about 66 in Rogers and 71 in Fayetteville. It's in the mid to upper 70s farther to the south, so you can see the effects of some smidge drier air that moved into the area through the overnight. It wasn't much, but some light north winds definitely made a difference. That front will ease the heat a little bit. You can see its location. What I wanted to do is zoom in on the satellite, though. Last couple of frames here, you can see the shading here across Fayetteville and Bentonville. A little bit of some cloud cover that's out there. It's not much, but it will mix out through the morning hours, and you've got a little bit more to the northwest. These are higher level clouds that'll move through. So we'll have mostly sunny skies, but just a few passing clouds. That weak front will also wash out throughout the day. It's currently in central and southern Arkansas, moving to the southeast. That's actually going to kick what was Hurricane Debbie off the east coast, and the ridge of high pressure will relax a little bit as that next trough builds across the Midwest and across the Great Lakes. So there's some change in the forecast for us. Okay, let's talk about how this plays out. First things first, we're going to talk about this high pressure ridge that's out there. So the high pressure is responsible for giving us the heat, and it also, when it flattens, it gives us some cooler air. So see if you can find it. It's this circle that spins clockwise here at the bottom right of the screen. This is typical. We call it sometimes thermal death ridge because, well, it's hot and it's just nasty. You don't get much rain at all. It blocks everything. It happens pretty much every summer. So let's go through time. Here's where we are now. As we head into the next few days, see that blue color that's up there around Minnesota, Michigan? That's going to push that front in. That's that trough I was talking about. And you can see how that circle right in here starts to flatten a little bit. This is getting into Friday. So this opens the door for some rain chances in that Friday, Saturday, Sunday time frame. It looks like there's another disturbance that moves through. It's a little bit stronger right there. That's around about Sunday, Monday-ish, and then you've got another little weak wave right there that moves through. So you'll have some frequent chances of some spotty rain, and that trough's over us here coming up on Saturday evening into Sunday. This will result in lower temperatures, though. This will be sensible, probably more like the mid and the low 80s compared to what we've been seeing lately. But that is some change. Now watch what happens, though, heading into next week. Oh, boy, that ridge starts to build back in, and now we're back into the heat dome. Looks like there's some kind of upper-level cutoff low that's out there by the middle and end of next week. So that's going to be something to watch. That would just flare up in the afternoon, but no widespread big rain chances. So this forecast looks like we do have some change in there for us, at least with some rain chances starting to pick up a bit as we head into the weekend, which is great. We could use the rainfall for sure. Here's how it looks, though. This is Saturday morning. Those showers will develop to the west around that high. They'll move east, so we should get some spotty rain on Saturday. This is Sunday, some spotty areas of rain, and then this is Monday. So we'll see how it plays out over time. Often what will happen here is you end up with these complexes that form upstream out across Kansas or even across parts of Oklahoma, and then they'll move into the area, often decaying as we head into the morning hours. So hopefully we get at least some rain in the area. I think the best time frame for that is probably going to be on Sunday, and then temperatures will trend down into the mid and low 90s for us late week, and then likely even in the 80s for us by the weekend, and then they're back up in the mid and upper 90s by the time school starts around the middle or end of next week, depending on exactly where you live. Hang in there. The heat breaks a little bit coming up, and hopefully we'll get a drink for your yard by the time the weekend rolls around. Have a great Wednesday.